those are strong. I don't recommend you to get those.
I don't know how people eat that.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Cindy V, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment. Today we have
Luis. I'm Cindy V's husband.
And today we're actually going to do a video on rare munchies. Yay! We're super excited. If you guys hear any like that,
Or little snores.
No, snores or things bumping, it's our dogs. We have 3 babies, so just in case you guys hear them. So we do have a few candies and chips and stuff, right?
Yep. Different kind of things. Chips, different candies.
Yeah, we have like chocolates and stuff.
Different chocolates.
Excuse that they're all weird and like todos desechos, pero they melted, so. ¿De dónde los agarraste? De Rare Munchiez, right?
Yeah, it's an Instagram page. It's called Rare Munchies. Yeah, they just sell exotic snacks from all over the world. It was a mystery box, and we're about to try them. Hopefully they're good.
There's one that I am not very like, que no quiero, porque no me gusta eso, but I think out of that, I think there's only that one that I'm like really not excited about. Pero sí son 4 sabritas, so 4 chips, right?
Yes.
This ones are the ones that I'm least excited about.
Canada. Yep, right there. Frito Lay Canada.
Estas no quiero.
Ketchup.
We tried getting rid of them, so we have to do this one, but yeah, apparently we're not the only ones that don't like ketchup. So
yeah, so.
And then we did get 2 drinks. Que también uno es de like Asia y el otro.
2 drinks. It's like a Minute Maid.
They're just candies.
It's just this one's from Germany. Then you have the Kit Kat chunky popcorn, you guys.
Supposedly it's like really good.
Yeah, I guess it's sold out on the website, so they should be good. At first we were like popcorn, but
Pues tan bueno, según. I've never had.
Yeah, I've never had
all of this. Pero les dije our chocolates got melted. So.
Yeah, so that's why they look weird. So we'll see how this goes.
And just FYI, guys, we're still warming up to the camera. He's warming up more because he's a little shy.
So which one are we gonna try first?
Should we put it in the box and then lo que saquemos?
Sure, if you want.
Okay.
So you choose first then?
Okay.
Close your eyes. There you go, guys.
Okay, I got mine.
Well, I was looking, you guys. I'm sorry, but I closed my eyes already. There you go.
Okay. Yo agarré estos los Jello ones, which we're really excited for. Okay. So since I picked first, I guess I go first, or you want to go first?
You can go first.
Dude.
They smell good. Let's see.
Wait,
Just a little sugary square, guys.
It tastes like that.
Mm.
They're a good candy because they're not like overly sweet.
I know. I thought they were gonna be overly sweet and sour.
They're like a soft. But they're not like over sour either. Tampoco.
No, they're
pretty good.
Well, let's have a rating system, I guess. We need to have a rating system from 1 through 10.
Okay. What do we give this one?
10 being like the absolute best thing in the world, I guess, you know? And 1 is just like very nasty, or 0.
You give it like a 6.
Yeah, like 6, 7. Me too. 6, 7. Good, but it's not the best, and it's not the worst. Like I can have that, you know? I can go to the store and probably pick that up as a snack. I got the all dress ruffles. It doesn't smell that bad.
It smells like
a regular ruffle.
Yeah, it smells pretty good. Yeah.
It's really weird.
It's a bit of a weird.
I'm getting like barbecue and like the pizza Pringles kind of flavor or something, like all mixed for some reason. I don't know. Or like barbecue. Yeah, those are not it.
Como barbecue, pero con like vinegar.
Yeah, something like that.
It's like a really weird.
Like
It's a weird
really
taste.
Taste it now that you had a drink of water and you got the sweetness off your mouth.
Twizzler thingies? See some Twizzlers?
I don't know, baby.
But you know the American candy that's kind of like this, like sour, que tiene like this weird aftertaste? This ones kind of have it too. And if you eat something else, como que no le agarras el sabor bien.
What would you rate them?
I'll give them a 4.
Yeah, I'll give them a 4 too.
I mean, you can eat them. Probably with some Valentina, that would be pretty bomb.
Probably.
Black label Valentina. Don't be getting the regular Valentina, because that ain't it, girl. But
Here you go, guys. Just close your eyes.
I'm not looking. Okay.
Oh, shoot. I'm not gonna like this.
It still thinks that you're not really. I mean, coffee you'll drink.
Yeah. Chocolate bar called Coffee Crisp.
Y I guess it's from Taiwan, so.
Wow.
Yeah, it says Taiwan back here.
Sheesh. And it is garlic shrimp flavor, guys. Right there.
I don't know, maybe we should open one of these too, ahorita. You want to do it in a little bit?
From Canada, you guys. It's right there. I don't know if you guys can still see it. Right there.
Oh, es de esa galletita, huh? The wafer.
It's not that bad.
I just kind of feel like I have that flavor de las papas.
It is good. It's good. I like it. Yeah. I kept chewing it. I thought it had like something in the middle, like gooey or something, but no, it's just straight like a cookie and chocolate.
Dude, this one's good.
Like, it's really good.
This is what I was saying about like it having like galletita dentro.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. I like that one. Coffee Crisp.
Yo, this is.
That one with a glass of milk would be good.
I would.
What'd you rate it?
I would rate it honestly with my like chocolate love. If I see it at the store, I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah, I would buy it too. If I was craving chocolate, since I don't like Snickers and
I would.
I like
yeah.
Kit Kat, and Kit Kat's
It's
something
very
like that.
similar to Kit Kat, but like está bueno, like el sabor está bueno. It's not like too overpowering with the cafe.
No, it's not too.
I would honestly give it like a. We'll give it like an 8.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, an 8.
Uy, esto no lo puedo abrir. Dang, and Asia see this.
Oh damn, they smell really bad.
Oh, they smell. Oh.
Dude, they hella smell.
Like abriendo la bolsa, you can really smell it.
Smell like straight up that garlic onion powder that you used to cook.
Do you want to split one?
Ah, that's big.
You're being such a baby.
There.
Oh my god.
I don't like shrimp.
Oh, okay. I can't even. They're very strong.
feel like I'm gonna throw this out.
I was kind of excited for this one, but like.
Ugh.
Okay.
Sheesh.
It? I'm not gonna tell you.
Ah!
It's so gross. It's still in my mouth.
Ah, I swallowed it already.
I can't swallow it.
No. 0. 0. 0, 1. The lowest.
I give it a 0, a -10. Those are strong. I don't recommend you to get those.
I don't know how people eat that.
It's so, oh my god, it's like como si te estuvieras comiendo un pinche ajo.
Yeah, basically.
Like, no sabe ni el shrimp. Huh?
No.
Es como si te estuvieras comiendo un ajo. But no.
No, that one's going straight to the trash after this video.
Pura basura, pura basura.
Guácala.
Do you want to try one of these para like
flush
it? ¿Cuál quieres?
Let's try this one.
Okay. Dude, si sabe feo, te juro que
Look,
me
you
va a dar
guys,
un ataque.
it's a Minute Maid. Hopefully it's good.
That was great. No lo huelas.
I have to smell it.
Oh. Why does it look like that? This is good. Tiene como pulpita. Tiene como pedacitos de limón and stuff, huh?
Yeah, it's good.
This one's really good.
Like a 10. I would go to the gas station.
I would get this too. I'll give it a 10. It's really good. It's like Minute Maid or algo así, no?
Would like a good refresher.
Yeah. This is really, really good.
Look away. Go.
Ready? Oh, we both got candy.
You got the hat. I got the Harry bro.
And I got the trolleys. I suck at opening shit.
There you go. Some Asian trolleys, you guys.
So I got the red one. Y él tiene como uno naranjadito.
They're like little worms.
Yeah. I would tell you
It's good.
the flavors, but they're in Asian.
Yeah.
I don't know. Guess bullying which.
They're good. But look, I got a big one.
Oh shit.
Look.
It's como like a little butterfly, you know, like son como las caterpillars and the butterflies.
They're like two flavors, I mean. No, I'm good. Taste these. They're really good, yeah.
También poquitos, ya nos vamos a acabar.
It's like a good serving size.
Like for a person, it's good.
What'd you rate them?
I really
6?
like them.
I rate them like a 6.
I gave them a 7.
Fuzzy. Fruity Boozy. They're from Germany. Look, I guess it has a jelly on the inside. So. They're not bad, but they're not good. Like, not good in the form of like, damn, let me keep eating or let me get another one. Yeah, you guys, they look like a little flower. Little jelly thing inside, that color thing. I think it's just like a jello. I give it a 3.
The jelly's really sweet.
Yeah, I give it a 3.
Yeah. I give it like a 4.
The little white thing on the bottom is like the very sugary thing, you know? Oh, look, see. Oh, I got mine. I'm not excited about it.
Okay. Oh, Henry.
Oh, ketchup.
Oh No.
Oh.
I don't like them.
They
I don't
do
like
taste like ketchup. Yeah.
No.
They're not as bad as the garlic ones. They're just not it.
I will never buy these either. No gracias.
No. So one?
Yeah. No. Well, at least we got the nasty ones out the way.
We still got a few things in there. We still got one more drink. Also. If that has peanut butter, I will not eat it. So you take a bite of that first. If it has peanuts, cool, but not peanut butter.
No, it doesn't have peanut butter. It looks like caca. Does it smell too? It really looks like
Poopy.
It looks like poopy.
Oh, you just bit the poopy.
Oh, Henry. Gross.
What do you mean, oh Henry? You gotta scream, oh Luis.
Oh, Luis. Bro, that's like the babiest bite ever. I like it. I give it a 9.
Since I don't like those stuff, but it's not that bad, give it a 3. Just because I don't like it. It's more of my opinion than the flavor itself. You know what I mean?
Yeah. The steak bugles. I don't know how I should feel about these. I haven't even given these thought. Just I haven't either.
Like, I think that was more nastier than that. But
Dude, I just realized that it's like a bullhead.
well, that's what they are. They're bugles.
No, I know, but like there's like a bull in the middle and it
Over
has
here?
horns. But at the beginning, when I was looking at it, it looked like chicken to me.
Yeah, this is the cow and then the horns.
Y'all see it? Ahí está el bull en las orejas, but that looked like a chicken. And then aquí están los cuernos.
Smells like straight up bubblegum.
They are bubblegum flavored. Oh, it smells so good. Mmm. It's like the bubblegum you can swallow. I really like these. I really thought I wasn't gonna like these. I really like these.
Right?
Oh my gosh. These are really good. It's like the original bubblegum flavor that you always want to swallow because it's so good, but you can't because se te va a pegar en la tripa.
Yeah, it's good.
I love these.
I give them like an 8, 7.
I give them a 10. Yo, these are really big closing their shit up. No puedo abrir las bolsas de allá de Asia. They don't smell. Don't smell.
Steak flavor. We gotta imagine we're eating a piece of steak.
They're good. I like them.
Tastes like regular Fritos.
Like you. I don't know. I like them.
You're good.
And fill them up with some Valentina in the middle. Have you ever done that? It's
I
so
never
good.
had bugles. This is the first time ever having a bugle.
Really?
Todos, vamos a dejar todos salados. Those are good.
What do you rate it?
I give it like a 7. They're not bad. They're not good. But I'll eat them. You know? You're good. I give them a thumbs up.
I'm almost having two.
This one's gonna be good. Hopefully. I expect it to be. Just don't like it. Like guayaba, grapefruit, guava, or
Es como de guayaba.
so como like las frescas de.
Es como que el sabor es not like very powering. Es como que está suavecita.
El más jugo.
Ajá, es más
que
como
soda.
jugo que como soda. It's like a sparkling jugo.
This is not bad. It's really good. What I feel like you can mix that with something like with alcohol.
I think it's like low sugar.
Sin azúcares.
Yeah, sin
azúcares.
You taste the aspartame. Like that sweetness afterwards. That's what it is.
That's good. I would get that again. I give that a 10. That is really good.
Give it an 8. I don't like the aspartame.
Smarties.
And
the
Kit Kat.
The popcorn Kit Kat. It's just like a M&M
Oh snap.
thing.
Son como franceses, ¿no? Está opening. Okay,
The chocolate's very.
it has like the outer coat taste is very strong.
Yeah.
Like I say?
It's like a cake or something like that. You know, like icing or some shit.
It's like a very strong.
I give that a 1. I don't like them.
Give it a 3. No, I give it a 2. They're not that good.
Otra caca.
Otra caca.
Like
When we tell you guys that it was melted, it's because it was.
It looks like caca. Look at the back. Two. I had a bite of the other one for sure. Oh, there it is. I'm trying to see your reactions.
Poker face, poker face. What do you think?
Again, not bad, not good. Like in the middle.
Almost salted caramel
Yeah.
with chocolate.
I give it
Did
like
you
a 4.
I give it 4.2. Okay, now since we already did try everything, what's your favorite?
So this is would be mine, you guys. So Fanta, Ruffles, the Jello, sugary sour candy. These were really good, guys. And the coffee crisp. Those are my options.
Okay, for me, I think out of everything, it's gonna sound crazy because I was not like super excited, but I love these ones. I love these. Out of these two, I like this one better. I'm more of a juice person, so I like this one. The chips, but out of the chips, me gustaron estos más que anything else. The chocolates, me gustó los Henry.
Nice. Okay.
This are it for me.
Okay. Oh, Henry's, the squishies, and the Minute Maid. Not bad.
Yeah. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to my canal, our canal. And I am excited to make new content and maybe do a little bit more together. I know that we've been gone for a little bit. It's just a lot has gone down this past month, which I will make an updating you guys video. I'm sorry, my baby wants to say hi. She's our little baby, la más chiquita. ¿Cuál la más grandota?
Bye.
We'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye, guys. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on to get notified whenever we upload
a brand new video.